this is our example number 3. As you can see here, first of all we'll observe the equations, that is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equal to 85. This is our equation number 1. Then equation number 2 is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equal to 89. Okay, so as you can see here, see the numbers first of all. Here 27 x minus 2 and to the second equation there is 27 y plus 3. Okay, in the first equation there is 31 x plus 3 and here it is 31 upon x minus 2. I think so you might have recalled, that is the practice set 1.1. Same type of examples we have solved. Okay, now we will solve this example, that is 1 and 2. I have already given the numbering to the equations. Now we will do the substitution. Okay, so now let 1 upon x minus 2 equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 equal to b. See, you can take any alphabet other than x and y. You can take any alphabet a, b, m, n, p, q, okay, as you wish. Okay, for me it is comfortable a and b, so I am taking a and b. So after substituting, what we get the equation, that is first equation will form 27a plus 31b equal to 85. This is our equation number 3. Okay. Next is 31a plus 27b equal to 89. This is equation number 4. Okay. See, now I think so now it is cleared in front of you. 27a, 27b, 31b, 31a. So what we have to do here now? We have to add both the equations. Same method we have to follow, just like in 1.1. So add 3 and 4. After adding, what we get? 27 plus 31, that is 58a plus 58b equal to 85 plus 89. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 4. 1 carry, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. So that will be 174. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to divide the whole equation by 58. In the table of 58, 174, it is there or no? We have to check out. So for that purpose, no need to make the whole table. As I told you, which trick we have to use, that is in the unit place there is 4 and here it is 8 for the 58. Now in the table of 8, you have to see where the at the unit place where the 4 comes. Just like 8 8 is 64 and 8 3s are 24. Okay, so we'll just see whether 58 4s is 174 or 58 8s is 174. That we'll see. So now I think so 58, if we'll see 8s if we'll make, so it will be greater, I think so. So we'll make 58 3s. Okay, so it will be 58 3s. So divide the whole equation by 58. So by dividing, what we get? After dividing, a plus b equal to 3. So 58 3s, because 8 3s is 24. 8 3s are 24. So 58 3s, it will be 174. So here we will write, that is by dividing. By dividing, we get the new equation, that is a plus b equal to 3, and we will give a new number to this equation, that is equation number 5. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract both the equations once again. So we will write here 27a plus 31b equal to 85. Okay, and minus 31a plus 27b equal to 89. Okay, so what we have to do here? We have to subtract. We will write here, that is subtract equation 3 and 4. Okay, we have to minus. We have to change the signs here. प्लस असेल तर मायनस करायची आहे, आधीच मी सांगितलंय मायनस सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करताना साइन चेंज करायची. आता 27 मायनस 31 मायनस 27 किती होतात? 4a. ग्रेटर नंबर इज 31, त्याला मायनस साइन आहे, सो इट विल बी मायनस 4a. हियर इट विल बी प्लस 4b and here 85 minus 89, that will be minus 4. After dividing the equation by 4, we get the answer, that is minus a plus b equal to minus 1. This will be our equation number 6. Okay. So after dividing we get the equation that is minus a plus b equal to minus 1. What we have to do now, equation 5 and 6 we will add. Okay. So we will write here adding equation 5 and 6. Okay. So what is the equation number 5 is, that is a plus b equal to 3, and equation 6 minus a plus b equal to minus 1 will add. Okay. So after adding what we get, a and minus a will get cancelled, b plus b is 2b and 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore b equal to 2 upon 2, so b equal to 1. Okay. What we got now? B equal to 1. We got the value of b now. What we have to do now? Put b equal to 1 in equation number 5. Okay. As you can see here, this is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. Okay. So we have to put b equal to 1 in equation number 5. Our equation number 5 is a plus b equal to 3. Therefore, a plus the value of b is 1 equal to 3. Therefore, a equal to 3 minus 1 plus 1 will go towards 3. It will become minus. So, we will get the value of a, that is 2. So, a equal to 2. We got it. Okay. Now, what we have to do again now here? We have to do the resubstitution. So, we will write here, that is resubstituting a equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Okay. And b equal to 1 upon, sorry, here it is x minus 2 it is. Okay. And b equal to y plus 3. Okay. So now we have to resubstitute. So now a equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Now what is the value of a? Value of a is 2. So 2 equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Okay. Now we have to cross multiply. After cross multiplying we get, that is 2 bracket x minus 2 equal to 1. Remove the bracket, that is 2x minus 2 to the 4 equal to 1. Therefore 2x equal to 1 plus 4. So 2x equal to 5 and x equal to 5 upon 2. Okay. So we got the value of x. So the value of x is x equal to 5 upon 2. Now b equal to 1 upon, what it is, y plus 3. We got the value of b, that is 1. So 1 equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Again cross multiply, 1 into y plus 3. It will be y plus 3 equal to 1. Therefore y equal to 1 minus 3. Plus 3 will become minus 3 and you will get the answer, that is y equal to minus 2. So this is our solution of the given equation, y equal to minus 2. So x comma y, that is equal to 5 upon 2 comma minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. So in this way we can find the values of x and y. Now next we will solve the example number 4. Now this is the fourth and the last example of practice set 1.4. Okay. So I have written both the equations, that is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4. And equation number 2, that is 1 upon 2 bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 bracket 3x minus y equal to minus 1 upon 8. Okay. So now as you can see here, what is the common? That is 3x plus y and 3x minus y. So we have to substitute again. Now let 1 upon 3x plus y equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to b. Okay, we have to substitute. After substitution, what happens now? What the equation we get? That is first equation, that is a plus b equal to 3 upon 4. Okay. So this is the equation number 3 which we have formed. But now here what we have to do? We will arrange the equation and then we will give the numbering to the equation. Okay, so from equation number 1 we have framed, that is a plus b equal to 3 upon 4. Now what we have to do here, we will remove the denominator. As I have told you before also, whenever the denominator is there to the equations, we have to just remove it by multiplying to both the sides. After multiplying 4 to both the sides, we get the equation, that is 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Okay, and then we will number this equation as a 3. Okay, now we will see the next equation now, that is 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x plus y. Okay, so what that equation will become, that will be 1 upon 2a. Sorry, it will be a upon 2. 1 up a upon 2 it will be, sorry. Next is, that is b upon 2 equal to minus 1 upon 8. Okay, so from the second equation we have framed this new equation, that is a upon 2 minus b upon 2 into minus 1 upon 8. Now what we have to do here, we have to remove this 2 first of all. Okay, then we will move towards the 8. So we have to remove this 2. For that purpose we have to multiply 2 to both the sides. Means we will write the statement here so that it will be easy for you. Multiply 2 to both sides. Okay, so after multiplying, what we get, that is a upon 2 into 2 minus b upon 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 1 upon 8 into 2. So we have multiplied 2 to both the sides, and after multiplying what we get, this 2 will get cancelled. Again 2 ones are and 2 fours are. Okay, so what equation will be formed, that is a minus b equal to minus 1 upon 4. Okay, again now here denominator is there, we will remove that denominator by multiplying 4 to both the sides. Okay, so here it will be 4 into a, that is 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. So this will be our equation number 4. Okay, so just like we have removed the denominator here by multiplying 4 to both the sides, same method we have used here. We have to remove this 4 by multiplying 4 to both the sides. Okay, so after multiplying we have framed the equations. आता आपण जर दोन्ही इक्वेशन बघितले 3 आणि 4, आपल्याला दिसतंय a पण सेम आहे आणि b पण सेम आहे. मग आपण काय करायचं, वी हॅव टू आयदर ॲड और सबस्ट्रॅक्ट. आपण एकदा ॲडिशन करू शकतो किंवा सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करू शकतो. पण ॲडिशन जर केलं तर दिस 4b विल गेट कॅन्सल्ड, अँड इफ विल सबस्ट्रॅक्ट देन 4a विल गेट कॅन्सल्ड, अँड ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू चेंज द साइन्स. So for us it is very easy to add, so we will prefer the addition. So we will write here adding equations 3 and 4. Okay, so we will add the equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 is, that is 4a plus 4b equal to 3, and equation 4 is, that is 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. So we will add this equation. Okay, so this is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. We will add 4a plus 4a, that is 8a, 4b and minus 4b, that will get cancelled. 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore a equal to 2 upon 8. We will divide it. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So we will get the value of a, that is 1 upon 4. Okay, so we got the value of a equal to 1 upon 4. Now we will do, what we will do now, put a equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. Okay, and then we will find the value of b. Now equation 3 is 4a plus 4b equal to 3. This is our equation number 3. We will place the value of a, that will be 4 into 1 upon 4. What is the value of a? We have got, that is a equal to 1 upon 4. We have placed the value plus 4b equal to 3. Now what happens here? This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, and we will get, that is 1 plus 4b equal to 3. Therefore 4b equal to 3 minus 1. 4b equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. 2. Okay. So what is the value of b now? Therefore b equal to 2 upon 4. Divide it. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So b equal to 1 upon 2. This is the solution of the, not solution, but we got the value of b now. So we got the value of a and b. Now again what we have to do? We have to resubstitute now. Okay. So resubstituting. Okay. A equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and b equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Okay. So now first we will take a equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Okay. So now what is the value of a? The value of a is 1 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Now we will cross multiply. That will be 3x plus y equal to 4. Okay. Now we will solve b now. b equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Okay. See now this will be our new equation. 3 and 4 we have numbered it. Now this will be our equation number 5. We will solve now. Value of b is 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Cross multiply. You will get 3x minus y equal to 2. So this will be our equation number 6. Now what we have to do now? Add equation 5 and 6. Add equation 5 and 6. Okay. So we will add equation number 5 is 3x plus y equal to 4 and here 3x minus y equal to 2. Okay. We will add. So after adding what we get? Plus y and minus y will get cancelled. Now 3 plus 3 is 6x and 4 plus 2 is 6. So x equal to 6 upon 6. So x equal to 1. So we got the value of x. Okay. Now what we will do? We will place the value of x. Okay. Put value of x. I'll just write it here. Put x equal to 1 in equation number 5. Okay. We'll place the value of x in equation number 5. Okay. So now equation number 5 is 3x plus y equal to 4. 3 into value of x is 1 plus y equal to 4. So 3 ones are 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 3. So the value of y equal to 1. So we got the value of y. So y is also 1 and x is also 1. Okay. So xy that is equal to 1 comma 1 is the solution of the given equation. So in this way we can solve all these examples of practice set 1.4. These examples can be asked for either 4 or 5 marks. So you have to revise all these examples very thoroughly. Thank you.